Hey guys, 23 people joined. Can you guys send a text? I think you can send a text. Let me check with AJ. I don't know way to fix it. Okay, let's see the charts. I can see you guys because I don't know if you have any questions. The PayPal is doing good. What is its month and shenanigans? I write month and shenanigans because at the month end we mostly see the selling. So QQQ, I think we can go down more. TTD is good for the leaps if you want. So QQQ is trying to break downside, but it was it's holding our level. If it doesn't hold above, we are going down. So this was the area. If it breaks below and we stay below, we are going to get put. TDD, you see, guys, is gonna go now. TDD is good for the leaps or the swing calls. At least get August or September calls. You see, it broke. It retested at 54.40. That was the area for the retest. It did successfully, and it holded. So TTD is good for swings or leaps. At least get October or November calls by some time because we have 3 days weekend now. It's long weekend, so at least November calls. You see, it's moving up. PayPal. Who bought the PayPal? I don't know. I don't want to do it alone. AJ, fix it. Where are you? I wanna see your guys' chat. I selected that anybody can text, but uh, this is a bit complicated. Okay, let's keep an eye. I told you guys TTD is gonna go. Pan is going. Pan is good. Pan was a good setup. It has to hold above 189.90 and it's good for a swing also. A broke yesterday. It had a good engulfing candle. If you go see crowd, so I will show you guys. 20 programs I didn't set up because my friend called me and they took time. I don't know. I had to set up everything. Yeah, it's good now. This is the biggest engulfing candle you might have seen in the stock market. It covered, this candle is covering about like 3 weeks of candles. So if it stays above this resistance, what is that? 442, it is going to go above to the higher targets. So if it stays above 442, you can buy calls, but buy times because these will be uh, bit expensive calls. So crowd, So my target for the crowd is around 480 in the coming days. Like it might take 2 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So if anybody has to go for the calls, they can go for November or December. But instead of preferring the calls on this one because these must be cheap, so expensive, I prefer TTD more. But it needs to stay above 54.40. If it stays above 54.40, you can buy calls and you can keep the stop loss 54.40 if it closes 15 minutes candle below or 30 minutes. So it's like a good risk to reward. You have less to lose and more to gain here. IBM is going down. Let's see if it can reverse. QQQ, I think we are gonna go down. We're gonna sell more until it stays above below 573.39. So the next target I'm targeting is 572. So this is our pre-market low. So it did broke, it did retest, and until it doesn't reclaim pre-market low, we are going down. You see, we are going down. I told you guys. Okay, Pan is doing good. The market is gonna shit show. So if QQQ SPY is going down, you will hardly see any setup moving up. It will either be choppy or the bearish. Yesterday I told you guys, Nvidia is going to go 170, and that's what it's gonna head to next. So if somebody had bought put around 180, they must be very positive. Let me check here. So when I texted you guys that smart money has exited here, so they exited here. We get the sweep of the liquidity here. Whoever bought the calls, they got swept here, and now we see the larger downtrend after that. Like around from 181, it went to 174 in 1 day when I texted in the Discord. So we are heading to 171 next. Let's see. So this is holding our level. If it breaks, we are going down. You see, I gave you level. The next one is 572, and that's where it hit. From 573 to 570 is like a $1.5 move on QQQ. Let's go. Next one is 570. So let's see if we get on this line and QQQ holds, then we might reverse. If we break this line, we are going to 568. You see, it's a bloodbath. I knew that today we are going downtrend today. Shit, Uber is doing bad. Only PayPal is good. Can you guys text? I don't know. Otherwise, I will end the stream. Let me ask Easy. Or let me check my Discord. Baba 8 dual. Overcall holder cell. Google most likely fucked up. Yeah. Let's see if we can get reversal from 92 on Uber. PayPal is holding nice. The leaps might print in the coming days. TTD is holding nice. Otherwise, it's a bearish trend today. Everything is going down. Let me ask AG. One is good. TDD is good. I told you guys. Otherwise, I don't see anything really good. PayPal is good. AJ is saying check again. AJ, are you there? I can't see any text. So QQ crowd didn't hold that for 442 area. So next, we're gonna get the retest of 431 to 433. Let's see where do we bounce. I think we're gonna come to 433, 434 area. So 50 EMA rejected today. It was at 441 and that's where it rejected. So now 9 and 21 EMA has to bounce. Tesla is holding well. PQA we are seeing some reversal, but I think it's month end. So we might see some downtrend until 12, I think. IBM, I'm in the swing, but I'm not worried. I'm not worried. It has to hold here. We do have UPS. UPS is doing nice, almost at the breakout. It has to it has to cross above this area and hold. If we get a breakout, we are going to test 50 EMA 93. We will at least come to $93. Yeah, 93 it is at. So we still have time for October calls. Uber didn't do good. Uber I'm holding for now. It's October call. I'll check. TTD has a big gap above, but it will move slowly. So 56, 60. It has to clear above this. Can you guys text? I can see. He just said it's good, it's working, but where do I see your text? It's not showing up to me. AJ, do something. I can't see it from my side. Where I'm gonna go? Yeah, we are seeing some reversal at the line, almost at the line. Why can't I see? God, Kitty reports. You will have to take profit. OFA one time. AJ sending me screenshot. But maybe I disconnect and come back again. Just give me a second. AJ said you don't disconnect. It's a downward day today, downtrend today. Chat is working, but not for me. Where do I see? I don't know. It has just set up. Coin, as long as it stays above 3 or 4, it's gonna go to 297. Yo, what's up? I can see the chat. I just must be good now. Okay, let's do something. Okay, let's check our charts. QQQ puts printing. You guys have to take profits. Must be up more than like 50%, I think. Whatever about. We are seeing reversal. So we might see reversal here on Nvidia. Has to cross above 170.40 for the 0T. Okay. TTD is holding. It's kind of inside the candle. Really has to get above yesterday's candle. Until Nvidia doesn't reclaim 170.40, we are going down. Tesla, yeah, we might see some reversal. I'm going to try some 0GT on Tesla. I'm going to try 350 call for 60 cents. Yeah, I feel that's 66 cents. Let's see. It's a gamble. 0GT is a gamble. Has to go above. Has to get above 345. We are still weak on QQQ. The daily. It's still looking bearish. Tesla, let's go. Get above 345. What might be a choppy day? It's a month end. Nvidia is might reverse. Has to reclaim 175. The VWAP. Yeah, it has to reclaim VWAP or we are going more down. No, Tesla is breaking down. Shit. Tesla is bearish. I am moving. Let's see if we can get a reversal. I think we are still in a downtrend. We are going down today. Did anybody buy puts? QQ puts? I think Uber is gone today. Meta and Uber. Let's see. Uber, we have to reverse here at the trend line. So yeah, we got to reverse here. Otherwise, it's not looking good. Okay, let me check what the flow is saying. Everything is down. IBM, Uber, I'm down around 30%. No. So, yeah, this is the area for the Uber to reverse. Let's see if we can get reversal in the coming days from here. Tesla has to strong push, give strong push here or 45. So what is it saying? Tesla has to stay above this zone. Oh, and if it stays above, we will be going around 364 in the coming days. But if it breaks 340, then we will retest 336. It has to hold here. What the QQ is doing? Yeah, we are seeing constant selling. Let me check something. Uber is down. IBM is down. IBM, I'm not worried. IBM should reverse here. This is a strong area to reverse. It's a swing, long swing, so I'm not worried, but it has to get above 243.20. It has to get above this zone now for the reversal. Nvidia is holding strong at this level. If it breaks, it will go to 170s. If we hold, we might see some reversal. But QQQ is weak. Until it doesn't get strong, we won't see any reversal. TDD also breaking down. TDD has to get above. Even PayPal is down. It was looking good before. The month end is always a downward trend. You see, we are going to 170s. The reason for the name for this show is month end shenanigans because I know it's a downward trend. Nvidia's person 160 yeah, good puts close already for almost 100% gain. That's nice. Money saying go for chart. This guy is stuck only to one chart. Move on, man. Yeah, it is at the strong level. Man, it has to get above, stay above 1.36. We will see some strong push at this chart if we clear 160 area. Maybe Bitcoin is weak, that's why these miners are not moving. But they will move. It's showing strong that strong buy bounce might come. So if it moves, it will give it 20 30% move in a day. That's why it's weak, man. No. We are going to 336 Tesla. I closed my put call. Sorry, Tesla call. It's a put day today. Now you know why I put the name month End Shenanigans. Month saying something is cooking. OFA, yeah, something is cooking. The chart looks good to bounce. It will give a big move. Uber GitLab. Let me check. Yeah, I'm still holding Uber call. People are asking me. AA Bentry scored the QQ puts. I think it must be around 200%, whoever bought at the top. So the levels are important. So this was the level where when it broke, it retested pre-market a low and we went down. So the next reversal I'm watching around this on this trend line. No, this is not trend line, this is a zone. 21 EMA is at 570. It has to get above 570. So we can bounce maybe up to 572. Let's see. So if you wanna guys bet, just wait for this candle to close above and the next candle should start above this line. Then you can buy calls for the scalp. How's our UPS? Everything is red. How's Netflix? And Netflix 12 sport was strong. I think we are going down more. What is time? 10:15. My laptop is going to go shut off. Let me put it. The PC data was good, but we are seeing continuous selling. I think we are going down. Maybe all day. Why are you here? Check news, AG. I have been saying since last night that the VIX is problem. Means we were supposed to sell off today. You see, I told you guys here, VIX is problem here. So it is at a strong bounce zone. Whenever it reaches here, it always bounces. You see how many times it bounces? And the strong levels provide good bounce. So it's up, I think, I don't know, 10% on a day. Yeah. I've been saying since yesterday night, we won't have good day. That's why I was saying. Now we will see if we reject at this trend line or we're gonna break above the big falling wedge. We might see some heavy selling in September. So guys, don't forget to book your profits on the positions that are very much good in profit. You can always buy the dip in September and to October. Once we break this falling wedge, it will be messy. Maybe VIX goes to 2023 again. It will go, no doubt. But we will see when. Okay. TTT Goda stay above 54.40. Nvidia, we might bounce. Tesla, I said we are going to 336. I lost some in Tesla, but it's okay. It wasn't much. Instead of buying calls, we could have gone for puts. We are going more down. Maybe at 336 we might reverse. We will see. But it's free falling. Yeah, it's free falling. Yeah. So zero DTs work fast in this way. You will have to be very fast for the zero DTs. Okay. PayPal is okay. So let's check PayPal one time. So PayPal, I gave leap. So let's see if we break out above this level or we might consolidate for some time and then we break out, or maybe this. Let's see. We'll see in the coming days. But I'm going bullish on this one. I think we will see strong push up to 73, 74 level. And in this selling is holding nice. So it means it's due for a bounce. Media is reversing exactly from our level. Yeah, QQQ is bouncing above this yellow line. We will bounce. The candle needs to close above this level, and then we will see some reversal. QQQ calls are good risk to reward ratio here. QQQ call looks good here. As you see, we are bouncing above. We will at least go to 572. 572 might be coming. You can play 0 DT for Nvidia also. It has to reclaim above VWAP. Tesla is weird. TTV is good. So crowd is bouncing exactly where I said. We will come around 431 to 434, and we did came. So it's a good place to go long here. And you see these volume candles, they are indicating something that it's due for a big run. Get above this line and we are good. Let me check on it. Hooper and Meta calls QQQ forming head and shoulder on daily. Nvidia looks like it's holding strong. Nvidia is holding strong here. It should bounce from here. Until it holds above this level, we should bounce. I will wait for the Tuesday because it's if we buy next week calls, it's 3 days. It's a long weekend, and the theta will hurt our premiums. So I'm not entering any short dated calls. They're back nice. QQQ put sugar prices. Could have watched this line. VIX is the problem. VIX is bullish here, so we are bearish here. You see, we gotta watch VIX is bullish. And it's bullish in the coming days also. So guys, prepare yourself for the big crash ahead. We might see some big down days like today in the coming days. Guys, I'm checking something. Baba is 134 today. If we break below 170 on Nvidia in the coming days, we are going way down, maybe to 160. But it might not happen. We might chop until the rate cut. So if you want to buy the Nvidia puts, go for November expiry and wait for the bounce. If it does bounce, uh, go for the November or December expiry and go half position. So if it does bounce, you can add more. I'm very bearish on Nvidia in the coming days. You see, this trend has been broken. It either get above this line and the next candle we would have to open above 178. It has to reclaim 177, 178 or we are going down. The VWAP is the problem here. Okay. Let's see if we can bounce. QQQ is still above that line. If until it holds, the calls are good and it can test the VWAP 572 level. Okay, I'm gonna try some QQQ calls for the next week, so I will exit with a small amount. It's riskier, but let's see. I do have to leave at 10:40 because I have meeting at 11. Media is holding strong. It should bounce. We should see strong bounce in the coming hours. So zero DT could be dangerous if we chop for some time. It will kill your premiums. Guys, any question? Tesla going up now. Yeah, put getting cooked here. Tesla, I told you like 336 area, 337 it reversed. So this was the area to reverse. Tesla has to reclaim. I think we will see Tesla closing above 340. We will see Tesla closing above 340. I'm gonna get Tesla 0GT again to recover my loss. Revenge trade. But waiting for the VWAP. QQ has so many resistance above. Need some volume to break above. Then we should be good. Because when we break above 9 EMAs, people will come chasing the calls here. IBM is holding where it should be. It just has to get above 243.30, 2030. Has to close above 121.20 and it can be good swing. But for the safe side, I'm not entering. I will enter Tuesday if it crosses above 123. Yeah. These days, market is not gapping up or gapping down, so you can always wait for the market to open to day trade or the scalp. TTD is holding our level perfectly. Until it holds, it's bullish for the coming days. You see, it's bouncing off our levels. In November, December calls can work, and the stop loss would be close below 54.40. PTD is doing good. PTD is holding above this time, so we are good. PTD is giving nice candles. QQQ is holding above Nvidia, which should see some reversal. What I'm getting, something is cooking. Australian and Germany people were ordered to leave Iran. There's more. Okay, we are reversing. Does anyone has any question? I'm gonna leave now. I don't enter any trades now. I'm just holding Uber and IBM calls because I have meeting, so I won't be uh, able to actively monitoring. So you guys can bet on Tesla maybe next week or zero DT for some scalp, but has to be fast. But it has to get above 340. There is no volume. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Uh, Nvidia is holding 175. Yeah, it is holding. I think it's gonna bounce. We might bounce in Nvidia. So that's why I said until we should see some bounce. You can day trade or scalp and put the stop loss below 174. But overall, in the coming days, in the month of September and October, I'm bearish. But we gotta see the break below 174 successfully. The next one candle, if we open below 173, 174, we are going down. Not until it holds. I really would like to for Nvidia to come around 140s, 150. Yeah, 150. We will see it coming. I think maybe in the month of September, October. So that's why I said. Just give me a second. Hello. What did you do so? Okay, guys, I will have to leave. I will see you guys later. So be safe out there. Do not force any trades. Just watch the market. Take care, guys.